Myself, Kamal Kishore Sharma, lecturer in Electronics Department, Government Polytechnic College, Jodhpur. Today I am deliver e-lecture on power metal oxide semiconductor field effect transistor or power MOSFET. This semiconductor has extremely high input impedance and is widely used in switching devices. First we discuss construction of power MOSFET. A depletion type N channel power MOSFET has a lightly doped P-type substrate into which two highly doped N regions are diffused. These two N regions act as drain and source. An N channel is also diffused between D and S as shown in figure 1. A thin insulating silicon dioxide layer is grown across the entire semiconductor surface. Two holes cut into the oxide layer allow contact with the source and drain. A metal layer is then deposited on the oxide. This metal layer forms the gate. Due to the presence of the silicon dioxide layer, the gate is insulated from the semiconductor. This layer results in a very high input resistance. A p-channel depletion type MOSFET consists of an type substrate into which two highly doped p regions and a p channel are diffused. These two p regions act as drain and source. First we discuss negative gate operation. Figure 2a shows a depletion mode power MOSFET. When a negative bias is applied to the gate, the negative gate voltage depletes the conducting channel of majority carriers, that is electrons, and controls their flow. The gate and channel form a parallel plate capacitor with the oxide layer as the dielectric, as shown in figure 2b. The negative gate bias causes concentration of electrons on the gate. These electrons repel the conduction band electrons in the N channel, leaving a positive ions layer as shown in figure B. More negative the gate voltage, the greater is the depletion of electrons in the N channel. Next, positive gate operation. A depletion mode power MOSFET when the gate bias is positive is shown in figure 3a. The gate and channel can again be thought of as a capacitor. The positive charges on the gate induced negative charges in the N channel, as shown in figure 3b. These negative charges add to those already present in the channel. Thus, the positive gate voltage increases or enhances the conductivity of the channel. More positive the gate voltage, the greater the conduction from source to drain. In both positive and negative gate operations, the gate current is negligible because the gate is insulated. Therefore, input resistance is very high, around 10 raised to 10 to 10 raised to 13 ohm. It is necessary to connect the substrate of an N-channel power MOSFET to the negative terminal of a battery so that the PN junction does not become forward biased. If this happens, the device will cease to act as power MOSFET. In a P-channel devices, the substrate is connected to the positive terminal of the battery. The symbol of power MOSFET, the four terminals, that is gate, source, drain and substrate, are usually denoted by G, S, D and B. Sometimes the substrate is internally connected to source so that only three terminals, that is G, S and D, are brought out. In figure 4a shows a N-channel depletion mode power MOSFET. The gate is shown as one plate of the capacitor and the solid vertical line depicts the channel. Since it is an N-channel device, the arrow points inwards. In figure 4b shows a P-channel depletion mode power MOSFET. The arrow points outwards since it is a P-channel device. Many times the substrate is internally connected to the source. Now, characteristics of power MOSFET. In figure 5a shows the drain characteristics of N-channel power MOSFET. ID, VDS and VGS denote drain current, drain voltage with respect to source, and gate voltage with respect to source. VGS can be positive or negative. The characteristics of a P-channel power MOSFET are similar to figure 5 except that signs of all currents and voltages are reversed. Figure 5b shows the transconductance curve or transfer characteristics of depletion type power MOSFET. It shows the variation of ID with VGS. IDSS denotes the drain current with shorted gate. The curve extends on both sides, that is VGS can be negative as well as positive. Since GS can be positive, also IDSS is not the maximum value of drain current. Sorry. This device has also three regions on operation, that is ohmic region, active region and breakdown region. The rising position of the drain characteristics of figure 5a is the ohmic region. the device behave as a resistor. The drain current is nearly constant in the active region. When VDS exceeds the rated value, avalanche breakdown occurs. This device has also two applications, that is as a resistor or as a current source. It is all about power MOSFET. Thank you.